What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is 410 Autotech. I know it's been a very long time, but today I am going to be putting a starter in a 2011 Nissan Versa for my mother. I'm going to bring you along, so I'll get into another video of where I've been and my journey that I've been taking. So if you need to know how to replace a 2011 Nissan Versa, I got you. Stay tuned. First thing you're going to do is take a 10mm, loosen that bolt up. I have already done it. Take this out, move it to the side. Next, you're gonna move is to take this air duct out of the way. Two little clips, I've already pre-moved them. And you're gonna have to fight this a little bit and squeeze it out. Next thing you're gonna do is remove this tab right here for the surge tank. Slide her out, move it to the side, and then you'll be able to take that starter out. So let's hop in. All right, after you take off the 13 and the 8 for the signal and power to it, move these connectors out of the way. This 8, it's like a 18 or 21. Hopefully I have the right socket. And another one up here, if you could see in between. These bolts right here are 18. As soon as you crack it free, you'll be able to turn it by hand. Take a 3-inch extension with the 18. Sorry, crack it free. And then you should be able to get it by hand. So once you get the 18 up here, 18 right there, the starter literally just falls out, looks like. Alright, so what I figured out is if you rotate the starter towards the front of the vehicle, towards the fans, and push the radiator hose downwards a little bit, you should be able to get it slide it out. And then all you just gotta do is swing it past. And just keep moving some of the wires out of the way. Definitely need two hands to do it. So looks like I'm gonna have to rotate this harness, push it backwards a little bit, and then I should be able to slide it right out. That's exactly what I did. Just push this that wire a little bit further back to get it around the ear of the starter, and it comes right out. All right, so I just pushed that harness back again right there and was able to finesse it in there. So now I just gotta hold it right here and push the starter in. I mean, if you guys can afford to spill coolant, taking this hose out may help a little bit. But if you're like me, don't want to ruin the environment, just slide it right in just like that. Take your 18. Now get your 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 18, and just snug it down a little bit more. And same thing with the top one. And then we'll proceed. Put the top one back on, tighten it a little bit more, and then we'll proceed to get the electrical harnesses back onto the starter. Now, and grab this little 8, throw that on. It's kind of hard to show you guys, but throw it on there. Grab the 8 nut. Definitely start it a lot by hand. A 1/4-inch ratchet with an 8. And tighten it down. And then once you're done putting on the nut, make sure you put the little sleeve back on there to guard it from everything else. The next one is to start this on there and put the nut on there. Nice and snug. Put your cover back on it. Slide the cover back on. and pretty much done. Now you got to put all the coolant reservoir back, the air duct, and just reconnect the battery, negative battery terminal. So after you get your air duct back in, of course, put your negative cable back on, and then go inside and verify that you've repaired the car. Just make sure it starts up, and we're good to go. Start straight up, we're good to go. Sounds like money. Well, there you have it, guys. That's how you replace a 2011 Nissan Versa starter. Really simple, quick. Probably takes maybe less than an hour for an average person, maybe a little bit less. It is really cold outside, so it definitely took me a little bit longer than I expected or wanted to. But I'm going to drop a picture or a list of tools that I use, so you know what tools to use, so you're ready for the job. Makes your life a lot easier. It makes me a lot happier. So this is 410 Auto Tech. I will catch you guys on the next video.